Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you a beautiful unboxing from Paintsomeway. That is www.paintsomeway.com. Now, before I tell you about Paintsomeway, I want to wish you a happy new year. May all the good things in your life come true. Now, Paintsomeway is a wonderful shop. I've been working with them for quite a while. Their shipping is fast, their products are amazing, and their customer service is great. They sell all kinds of stuff, like our favorite cross stitch, beaded cross stitch. They do diamond paintings and even paint by numbers. They sell all the tools and accessories you can dream of. They do customs, and they even sell gifts. Now, what more do you want? Go and look on their website. Very big website, and they're very helpful. Just give them an email or write them an email if you need any help, or contact me if I can help you. Alrighty then, so we've all said and done. I think it is time that we open these beautiful things. Now we're gonna start. I know Christmas is finished, but look at this beautiful Christmas stitch. Now you can start collecting Christmas stitches for next year. I know I just passed, but that's what I do. If I see a nice stitch, I just collect it in any way if I like it. And I really love this Christmas stitch. Whew, the little cats are giving me all my days here. Okay, so let's have a look what we've got here. So the little tool thingy, it's got a little test tube, a thimble, needle threader, and 5 needles, and they put everything all in one, right? Nice. Okay, the pattern is printed on my favorite shiny film. Why do I say it's my favorite? Because it's durable. But please, she doesn't want to stop, and she's naughty. It's durable, but remember, please do not get it wet in front. You're going to cry if you do that. Why? It will all wash away. It will just wash away. All right, so we are working with 40 colors, 11 count. Beautiful Christmas tree. There it says Merry Christmas. All the details are going to be here. This looks very busy. It's going to look amazing. Instructions. There's an instruction leaflet printed on the pattern. Now we're going to look at the Ada, then I'll tell you exactly how busy this is going to be. But I think it's colorful, and I hope the threads do the same. Okay, so I'm going to pack away as we go, right? Alright, so we've got a beautiful white Ada. It is serged all the way around for our convenience. Ooh, it's busy. It's very busy. This is gonna be fun. Now it's 11 count. It is 49 by 49 centimeters, 190 stitches by 190 stitches. Gracie just don't want to stop, guys. Sorry. Okay, so let's have a look here. And there you go. Beautifully printed. You can see everything very clearly. There is no confusion here. Look at that. That printing is superior. I love this printing. There you go. So amazing. Printing is superb. Very good. I love it. I absolutely love it. All right, let's look at the pretties. Oh my word. She is adamant. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, look at the colors. They are pretty. Okay, so hold on. The colors are really beautiful. Now we're working with 40 colors that are on floss drops. Ooh. Ooh. Look at the beautiful colors, my Stitchy family. Oh my golly gosh. Look at that. Oh wow, now I can show you nicely. Look at all these colors. There you go. Well, I think it's an amazing stitch. Very beautiful. Now while you look at that picture, I want to ask, if it's the first time you watching my videos, if you would be so kind, please subscribe I will appreciate it. Why? Because you motivate me to make more videos for you. Also, if you like this video, press the like button and leave me a comment. I will get back to you. Also, remember all the products that I show you here today, I will leave in the description box as well as the shop's link. Alright, so let's do this. Now I'm looking for something. Okay, so you guys know about these pictures, I love them. So there's a thimble, 5 needles in a test tube, and a needle threader. There it is. Ta-da-da-da. Then here's the pattern. It's on my, whoa, what? Oh, yeah, no, it is on my favorite shiny film for durability. Do not get it wet in the front, please don't do that. It will just go away. Okay, so let's see what is going on here. 11 count, 40 by 50 centimeters. She's got 40 colors. She is magnificent. She's really, really pretty. The instruction leaflet's printed on the pattern. 147 stitches by 190 stitches. I said 40 colors. Everything looks great. She's pretty. Okay, so the Ada's on the bright white Ada. She's not very big, this one. So there it is. And Gracie still continues. Okay, Papa. Oh, Papa. Alright, so it's serged all the way around for convenience. Not big at all. Very quick stitch. 11 count. 40 by 50. 40 colors. 147 stitches by 190 stitches. Now Pepsi's here as well. Alright, so this is amazing. Very easy stitch. And look at the printing. Can't beat that. That is amazing, amazing printing. Alrighty then. Now it's time for the pretties. Let's see. No, sorry guys. She's gonna bump over my light. Yeah, you're so naughty. Get off. Come off of your sister. It's unfair. She must go off. There you go. So let's have a look at this pretty thread. In a previous video, I cut my finger open while opening something else. Can you believe it? Dumb me, right? Okay, so they are on floss drops. And there's 40 colors. Now she is not a colorful picture. Look at that. She's like a steampunk type of beautiful lady. And let's have a look here. Ooh la la. Very, very pretty, right? I just adore her. There you go. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it is amazing products. While I pack away, I want to thank Paintsomeway. Thank you guys. This is really beautiful. I adore it. Then I want to chat to you guys. You guys, thank you for always watching and supporting me. It really, really means the world to me. Without you, this is actually just not possible. I've said it before and I will say it a million times over again. Alrighty then, I'll pack this away now. Till next time then, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.